Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Exam Study Zone. Today I am going to discuss some important computer fundamental questions. So must watch this video till the end. So let's get started. Question number 1. A set of programs written for a computer is called A. Program, B. Software, C. ROM means read only memory and D. RAM, random access memory. So the right answer is option number B, software. A set of programs written for a computer is called software. Option number B is the right answer for this question. Question number 2. The output obtained on the paper is called as A. Soft copy, B. Hardware, C. Hard copy and D. Compiler. So the right answer is option number C. Hard copy. Question number 3. Which of the following is not a hardware? A. Mouse, B. Keyboard, C. CPU, D. Operating system. So the right answer is for this question is option number D. Operating system. Question number 4. 1 byte equals to how many bits? A. 7, B. 2, C. 9, D. 8. The right answer is option number D. 8. 1 byte equals to 8 bits. Question number 5. What is the full form of HDD? A. Hard disk drive, B. Hard disk digital, C. Hard disk data, D. None of the above. So the right answer is option number A. Hard disk drive. Question number 6. What is the full form of URL? A. Uniform Resource Locator, B. Uniform Resource Location, C. Uniform Restart Locator, D. Uniform Read Locator. So the right answer is for this question is option number A. Uniform Resource Locator. Now question number 7. Which of the following is a utility program? A. Translators, B. Operating system, C. Antivirus, D. None of the above. So the right answer is option number C. Antivirus. Question number 8. Which of the following is not an input device? A. Keyboard, B. Scanner, C. Mouse, D. Monitor. So the right answer is option number D. Monitor. Monitor is not an input device. Question number 9. Which of the following is not an output device? A. Monitor, B. Printer, C. Loudspeaker, D. Barcode reader. So the right answer is option number D. Barcode reader. Question number 10. Another name for personal computer is A. Supercomputer, B. Mainframe computer, C. Microcomputer, D. Mini computer. Right answer is option number C. Microcomputer. Question number 11. The full form of CPU is A. Central Processing User, B. Central Processing Unit, C. Central Processor User, D. Central Process Unit. Right answer is option number B. Central Processing Unit. The full form of CPU is Central Processing Unit. Friends, this was today's video. If you liked it, so don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching and have a good day.